What if I told you you could start a YouTube channel just off your phone? If you don't believe me, finish this video and I guarantee you I'll have you convinced by the end. There's no excuses. Before we do get into the video, I do stream right here on this YouTube channel Thursday through Sunday, usually at around 8 to 9 p.m. Central Time. If you have any further questions or if you want to come chop it up with the boys and have a lot of fun and connect and make a family, come by. See you there. Now let's get into the video. One thing I do hate is excuses. I see a lot of people saying that they want to do content creation, they want to do photography, they want to do videography, and I don't have a camera, I don't have a gaming PC. I don't understand where this came from, but people don't need those things. All you need is a phone. Preferably an iPhone. But all you need is a phone. Now starting off, there's a lot of things that people don't know about. Do people even know that Adobe has a lot of their creative suite on the App Store? You have Illustrator, you have Photoshop, you have Adobe Rush, which is a video editing multi-layer timeline app that you can use right from your phone. And they're not even that expensive. And here they are right here. I'll show you what they look like so you can see their icons, and I'll even post the price right here as well, and you can check those out and you can tell me what they think. But I've used them personally and I think they're all pretty good. Moving on to another thing, there is this other app called Procreate. Now it's usually used for illustrators, so people that want to draw, make emotes, maybe even illustrate a channel art. It is a pretty professional app, and I want to tell people that it's only 10 bucks, but you can use it for channel art, you can use it for thumbnails, because that is very big over here on YouTube, and I feel like a lot of people will take that for granted at how versatile that app could really be. So between Adobe and their Photoshop and their Lightroom and Adobe Rush and Procreate, if you put those two together, there's no reason why you shouldn't be able to start your YouTube channel and actually have pretty good quality. Some people might ask, what do I need to start a channel? You need channel art, you need video editing, you need thumbnails, and you need research. Those are 4 things that are very crucial when it comes to starting a YouTube channel if you want to be above average. Another thing that I think is very underrated, and that a lot of people's biggest problem is they don't have a lot of money to get started. That is the whole reason why you're doing this on your phone. I don't know if you've ever done any research on this, but if you ever go up to your local Walmart or Best Buy or even go to Amazon, you can get literal mini vlog kits that comes with tripods, a light, and a mic for usually around $40. That is a steal. That can definitely get you, the head start that you need to start making that great content with a better quality than honestly a lot of people, and I feel like that's a really overlooked thing. And I'll have a picture of what it looks like right here, and I'll have the link down in the description for this exact one that I'm showing right here. You might be asking, how much does it cost to start a channel on your phone? And honestly, technically it's free. You can really just go to your camera app and shoot and upload right there. But if you want above average quality, you pay $5 for Procreate, you pay $10 a month, sadly, because Adobe does have a subscription service. And then if you pay around 40 bucks for a vlog kit, which I'm sure if you go up to your local Walmart, you'll be able to find one, that only sits you at about 50 bucks to get above average. Now, the only thing that can make you even go further from the rest of all the other YouTubers is research and time. I mean, you can look up tags, you can look up thumbnails, all those things are free. Research is free, knowledge is free, and you have to put in that extra work if you want to be above average and really make it in this field. If you made it to the end of this video, go down in the comments and say mobile vlogger. I'll put it right here on the screen and I'll shout you out in my next video. Appreciate you guys for stopping by, and I'll see you on the next video. Later.
No problem. No problem.